Shankar Devnath, a rickshaw driver, passed away by getting heart attack suddenly on Sunday while he was waiting for a passenger at Bilonia No.1 Tila market.
Shankar Devnath, a rickshaw driver, wakes up in the morning and goes to the market with a rickshaw like every day to supply 2 handfuls of food. Hard-working rickshaw driver Shankar Devnath is known to all. On this day, Shankar was sitting in his rickshaw at Bilonia No.1 Tila Bazar after leaving home and waiting for a passenger. Shankar did not give any response and everyone got suspicious. Bilonia Fire Brigade personnel were immediately informed. Firefighters rescued Shankar from the spot and took him to Bilonia Sub-Divisional Hospital. The doctor on duty at the hospital conducted the examination and declared Shankar dead. Bilonia MLA Dipankar Sen rushed to the sub-district hospital after hearing about the death of rickshaw driver Shankar Devnath. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.